I'm Tatty. I do videos every day on gardening, on golf, and right now I am transforming a neglected rental property into a golf resort. So join me every day for new content and to watch the flooding, which is currently happening.
Good morning. It's 6:30 on Friday morning and we're dry. We look dry. It even looks dry over there. That's still got a bit left in it, but let's check the water level. Right, it's still at the 3 inches, 4 inches level, so that's good. It's below ground by about 6 inches, 8 inches maybe. So that's good because this grass is starting to sprout again and it's time to cut it because I like it short. Yep, we've got to keep it short. And look at the storm damage. So I think today's job will be going around and cutting all of the fallen storm damage. With the heavy rainwater has made them fall. So I think that's today's job. Hello, it's the afternoon nearly. I think it's about 12, yeah. So today's job, I'm going to clear an area behind the sand bunker, just down there, for vegetables and tomatoes and that. Right? Oh, that's terrible. Look at the ivy. That's disgusting. We'll be using this. It's Max Lithium, a lot of Japanese with a German flag. It's actually very good. I've had this for 3 years and it's been very trustworthy, very reliable. It does need sharpened, but it's actually pretty good. So I'm just going to set you up here and I'll show you what it looks like. It's just kind of like that. It's an area that I cleared, I think last year, and I just want to clear it again. So after doing a quick assessment, all of us, didn't we? We all assessed it, and it's not too bad. Everything is all right, apart from this area where it was overly flooded. The red green. Yeah, it's looking a bit sorry, but we will get over this. I have Bermuda seed, and I don't know what kind. I think it's hybrid, but I was also told that hybrid only came from a laboratory, and yeah, I don't know. Maybe there's seeds from a laboratory. No idea. I've got lots of packets of them, so I'll stick them in. But I wanted to take you over here to show you the progress that I did today. It was quite painful. Where was it? It's a good clearance, yeah, that's good. A good clearance. So it took, I don't know, I'll check the time, maybe 30 minutes, something like that. But it's nice and clear now, and I've started the path in the centre there. There is the path. Just goes round to the koi carp pond from here. I was thinking of a vegetable patch here, but I don't know yet. So yeah, that's it. I would usually have cut the grass by now, but it's really soggy. I don't want to, I just don't want to do it when it's so soggy. But looking at the well, the water's still just there, like 3 inches, 4 inches, so I'm okay for now. Yep. Well, that's the end of Friday's vlog. It's around 6 p.m, 7 p.m, is it? I don't know. But I put the lights on. Yeah, I took them away because of the flood. So I put the lights on, looking good again. That one there from the water pipe, I can bring that back in for that tree over there in the corner. It's starting to look good again. The grass has dried up a lot today, and it's looking a lot better. So on that note, I would like to say have a very good night, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. And please subscribe to the channel. Let's get it growing a little bit. Thank you. Bye bye.